If you use Chrome browser, whether you are using it on your Android phone, iPhone, or desktop or Mac, consider to stay tuned to this video and see important settings you need to turn on right now to be fully secure against phishing websites across the web in Chrome browser. Let me show you how. First thing first, open up your Chrome browser. After you open up your Chrome browser, go ahead and click on your profile icon right here. And the next thing you want to do, if you have not logged into your Chrome browser, Google will ask you to log in with your details. Just log in with your Google account, username, and password. After a successful login, scroll down right here, and then go ahead and click on Privacy and Security right here. Then here you go. Now you are here. Under Privacy right here, simply scroll down. Continue to scroll down right here until you get to Always Use Secure Connection. Go ahead and click on here. Once you click on that, it's going to take you right here. Just make sure you turn on this button right here. Boom. Once you turn it on, next thing you want to do is that warn you for insecure public and private site. Make sure you choose option right here. Boom. You are done. So if you are trying to visit any dangerous website ahead, you get a security alert from Google. With that, you can be fully secure with your browsing across the web using Chrome browser. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks, privacy and security settings in Chrome browser, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.